Okay, once again, thanks for coming. This is Tim the Toolman for Home Improvement. I wanted to kind of show you guys exactly how you can actually fix a shower head that's had hard water ran through it to where it's not functioning the way it should be. The thing that we need to utilize today are three things: a trash bag, some CLR, and a zip tie. Very simple. What we're going to do is I've already started to put the CLR in here, and I've got it ready to go. So this is an easy way for you not to have to worry about spending money replacing your shower head, taking it off to try to clean it. You just leave it where it's at and utilize this technique to be able to help you be able to clean your shower head the way it's at right now. Let me show you. Okay. All right. So basically now what I did is I put that bag on there. Now it's immersed in that solution. We're going to keep it there for an hour. Once we're done, that thing is going to flow like brand new. All right. Then you don't have to worry about taking it down or doing anything to fix a shower head that's got calcium buildup.